Response prompting hierarchy. So this is another type of strategy which could be used where it's appropriate for your child and the situation. So this encourages children to try new foods by using prompts. So what happens is you systematically increase the level of prompting or assistance provided to encourage a child or a person to eat a new food. You create a hierarchy. Which starts with the least intrusive prompt and progresses upwards to the most direct prompt. You can use this sort of technique for those who are hesitant to try new foods or are not interested in trying new foods. So the following might be examples of the steps you might use to achieve a certain target or goal. First of all, you would start off by identifying a target behaviour that you want to encourage. An example of this might be taking a bite or swallowing a new food. You then establish a prompt hierarchy in the following way. So it might be your first prompt in the hierarchy, the least intrusive and most gentle prompt is just verbal. That might be saying, take a bite. The next prompt in the hierarchy might be using gesture, so pointing at the food. The next prompt in the hierarchy might be modelling, so that means demonstrating yourself taking a bite of a new food. The next prompt in the hierarchy might be partially physical, so gently guiding the hand of your child, for example using hand on hand, to the new food that you're wanting them to take a bite of. The final and highest prompt in the hierarchy might be fully physical, providing complete assistance to the child in trying the new food. When starting a prompt hierarchy, we always start with the least intrusive prompt. Introduce this, wait a brief period before moving to the next level of prompting. We tend to think about levels of anxiety, giving the child time to adapt and become used to each level of prompting before moving to the next.